Good morning. It's now day 3 of my camping trip, my first night at Sandwood Bay. It was really quiet, eerily quiet last night. No wind, not a sound. It was really nice, really dark as well. I had a quick walk around last night down to there's a river running into the sea there, so I had to go down and get water. It's quite a nice place, it's nice looking, quite atmospheric, a bit eerie at night, but it was nice. I slept okay. So today I'm going to get some breakfast. I was going to make corned beef hash last night and then I didn't. I just had some ready-made pasta. So I'm going to have the corned beef hash for breakfast. Wander down the beach, do some filming, a bit of metal detecting, and hopefully, if the wind stays off, some aerial photography with the drone. This should be a fun day. Right, let's get on with breakfast. I have a tin of corned beef, some butter, some shallots or onions, and I've got a can of like new potatoes that have been peeled, and I think they're already cooked actually. So we'll just chop them all up, throw them on the Trangia, and that's it really. I've also got a Nomad Kitchen spice rack. It's a little box, and inside there's an array of spices: salt, pepper, some cooking oil, chili flakes, cumin, curry, garlic, paprika, and mixed herbs. It's quite a nice little kit to have. So I think I'll use some cumin and paprika and make a spiced corned beef hash. Proper retro camp food, which is easy to cook and quite nice. It's also versatile. It could be lunch, dinner, breakfast, it could be anything. So we'll get all this cut up and start cooking. To the onions, I'm going to add some cumin from my Nomad Kitchen spice rack. Right, we'll add in the corned beef. I've just cut into rough chunks. And the potatoes. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of paprika. And that's pretty much all there is to it. And I'll add some black pepper as well. And there we have it. Spiced corned beef hash. A 10-minute, one-pot Trangia meal. What more could you want? I highly recommend that Nomad's Kitchen spice rack. It's very versatile. It's a good thing to carry. I'm glad I bought that. There we go. Lovely spiced corned beef hash. I'm now sat on the beach at Sandwood Bay. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to hear me over the sound of the water, but we'll see, hopefully. What a beautiful day. Over there, there's a sea stack. I'll go over with the drone maybe and have a look at that. And we'll wander around the rest of the beach. Right, I've got my drone set up and ready to go. It's a DJI Air 2S. You connect your phone to the controller and it gives you live video back, lets you control the drone. So we'll have fly around and get some video footage, some photos, and maybe a 360 panorama. I'm now a mile further up the bay because I need to get some water. I didn't want to carry too much with me, so I've run out. Now I've got a water bag and some chlorine dioxide water purifying tablets. So if I collect 2 litres of water, that should be enough for the rest of the day. And then put 2 tablets in it, and half an hour later it's perfectly drinkable water. The water in Scotland is usually pretty good anyway, but I don't want to take too many chances with it, so I may as well put the tablets in. Okay, I've now got 2 litres of water. It's a bit yellow, but that's probably just because of the heat. The water here is running from the loch out to the sea, out to the ocean. I suppose it's the Atlantic out there. So if I put 2 chlorine tablets in, 1 per litre, that will remove any bugs and anything bad in there. Try and do this without spilling any. One, 2. You can see them starting to react already at the bottom. They're just bubbling. Give it a bit of a shake. And then by the time I get back along the beach, it'll be ready to drink. Right, I'm back to where I was, and I've got water. It's looking a bit clearer than it was about 40 minutes ago when I collected it. There's no sediment, there's no bugs, it's all right. Let's see if it tastes like chlorine. No. Tastes like a normal cup of coffee. It's nice when you're out. You know, at home we take for granted turning on a tap and water coming out and boiling a kettle, whereas here everything takes time and effort. But it makes you appreciate things more. It's the best cup of coffee in the world right now. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of metal detecting. I don't expect to find anything, but I just find it a very therapeutic, nice thing to do. And I've not been doing it a long time, so I'm still kind of learning. But this is my metal detector. It's a Minelab Equinox 800. It's quite light, but it is an awkward shape to carry and transport, as I found yesterday. It's all sort of digitized and everything. It's got different settings for all sorts of things, none of which I really know about yet. I've only really used it on beaches. So I'll go and have a wander around. I'm not sure how exciting a metal detecting video will be to watch, so I'll probably not record a lot of it, or any of it. But I have stuck a GoPro on it just to give you an idea how it works. We'll see if I can find something. Usually bottle tops or old ring pools. I did find one ring, and I found a Pepsi can from about 30 years ago. It had Wham on it, the band. You could send off for one of their posters. So that's about the coolest thing I've found, to be honest. But never mind. I pick up the bottle tops and I take them home, put them in the recycling normally. So
cleaning up the beaches one bottle top at a time.
I'm back at the tent. I ended up metal detecting for 2 hours. Time sort of escapes you when you're doing it. It's quite meditative. You kind of lose track of time. Sometimes you lose track of the tide coming in as well, which is a bit of a problem. But no, the tide's just come in here and it's getting a bit windier. So I thought I'd call it a day after 2 hours. I found a broken part of a camera, a viewfinder, and a couple of old ship's nails. I find quite a lot of those. But I was just wanting to see if it's possible to make a metal detecting video that isn't terribly mundane. I don't know, I might go out and make a few metal detecting videos in their own right. Let me know what you think about them in the comments. Although I'm guessing they're only good in hindsight if you find something nice or interesting or valuable. It's just a nice hobby to have. Something a lot of people don't get to see. You don't see many metal detectorists wandering around. It's an enjoyable thing to do. If you get the opportunity, try it. Ah, well, that's the end of my trip to Sandwood Bay. It's been nice. It's been a really good couple of days. But it's time to pack up and head home now. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And I'll catch you on the next adventure. Alright, take care. Bye now.